I'm feeling nervous. Are you feeling nervous?
I'm super nervous.
All right, we agreed to this yesterday. Every once in a while, it's good to break out of your comfort zone. That's what our next guest is going to help us do.
Chef Matt Vasili is here to heat things up in the Your Morning Kitchen with the Beat the Heat Challenge. Together, we're going to climb the ladder of spice, Matt, aren't we, Chef?
That sounds terrifying. The ladder of spice.
Is it, I wasn't sure if you had said that
I
was
did not invent that.
Oh,
This
the
is
ladder of
great.
spice. Okay, so we're basically going to have a heat off, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to get hotter the further down we get.
That's
yes?
how it works, you know? So I thought we'd start off simple because
Okay.
when it comes to getting ready and used to spice, for me, it started with cooking. So the more you cook heat, the more your palate is absorbing it.
Yep.
And the more you eat it, the better off you are as far as I can tolerate a little bit more spice level.
Okay, what do you
Okay.
have in front of us here? What are we trying?
We got a steak taco, and I used some jalapenos to make a nice tomatillo sauce. The jalapeno is spicy, but we
Yes.
balanced it with the tomatillo and garlic and lime juice, so there's a good amount of balance.
So we're just gonna dig in.
Yeah, we dig right in.
Okay, ready? Oh, good, you're doing this with us.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So, spice level present,
Present.
but not intense. If you find you want it spicier, add more jalapeno. If you
It's
find
really
it's too
good.
spicy, sour cream is your cooling agent.
Oh, so the cooling agents are the key here, too. Okay.
I took too big a bite.
Did
Sorry.
you?
You did a great
good.
job. I
Okay.
watched you dig in there and you killed it.
I don't feel any
Totally
heat
fine.
in this.
Me
No,
neither. I'm
there you
good.
go.
Yeah.
So we're
Really
good.
good. And
We're
so
good.
much
You
flavor.
don't feel it just a little bit on the back of your tongue?
Nothing.
Zero.
Nothing yet.
Oh,
You're a
that
pro.
scares me a little bit. I'm not
pro.
gonna lie. Okay, we're moving on.
Okay.
Now we're headed over to Nashville. Hot
Oh,
chicken
yeah.
is the dish of Nashville. It's
Okay.
literally just fried chicken that's tossed in a butter cayenne sauce. It's served on a slice of bread and served with pickles. In theory, the pickles and your bread are actually the cooling agent. The sweetness and the acidity from the brine of the pickle. Your body, though, thinks it wants beer when you're there.
Okay.
I rarely crave beer, but when I was in Nashville having hot chicken, I was like, I want beer. But actually, the beer doesn't help that much. It's moving all the hot oils around.
Yeah.
The carbonation doesn't do anything for you, but your brain is saying, chug a beer.
Right.
Okay, all right.
So I
Let's
think
dig
this
in.
is what we should do. I think we should try just the chicken, and then try it with
And
the
then try the
pickles. What do you
cooling?
think?
Let's do
Okay.
it.
Yeah, so get a little bit of that skin, because that's where
That's
all
where
that
the
butter
heat is?
sauce is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to do that.
So this
Okay.
is cayenne pepper, butter, lemon juice, and salt. And that's all that's in this. So you fry the chicken normally in a deep fryer,
so nice.
and then you toss it in a bowl with all those spices.
Okay, ready? That's really good.
Spicier?
It's like, oh yeah.
Yeah,
It's
so
got
the
like a
cayenne-
slow.
I
It's
find
got a
that-
nice kick.
It's got a nice kick. So I find cayenne has intensity, but not crazy amounts of spice.
Okay, and then when you add the bread and
Add the bread,
pickle.
add the pickle, it all balances really nicely.
Okay, ready?
Okay, so good. Wow, you guys are like rock stars here.
You were worried, weren't you?
I'm not worried, but I don't know. The ladder sounded intimidating. So
And
Now
you're saying
going-
this doesn't work, right?
It doesn't work, but you think you
You
want
should
it.
try it
I should
anyway.
probably try to test it, right? Okay. Well, maybe you're right on that one. Okay.
So the last but not least.
I am feeling it a little bit, though.
Okay,
The longer
I
it
just-
sits in your mouth.
Where's
So that's the butter actually.
It's
the
like my
butter's
tongue-
coating your tongue right now.
That's what's happening.
Right? Like, and that's where
there's heat
the pickle
sticking.
comes into play. The acidity cuts that off.
Yeah, because I
Get
feel
it
like
for
it's like a slow burn.
It is a
like
slow
it's
burn.
all happening.
It lingers. But then
It
you end
lingers.
up wanting, I found when I was there, like you keep wanting to go back for more because fried chicken. Come on.
As the more you eat, does it hurt more, or does it maintain its level?
No, at a certain point you fall off the ladder.
Right, exactly.
There's like a
We're all
spice.
off the ladder at this
The ladder
point.
of spice. Okay, so what do we
like
have here?
the pickle. I've been eating
See?
hot food my
Like a lot.
entire life.
There
I
you go.
did not know about the pickle.
Acidity. You can actually take a shot of pickle brine after. That's like if you're really intense.
Didn't you do that when you were pregnant? Oh, olive juice.
Olive juice. I drank the brine right out of the jar.
I think we just became best friends. Did we just become best friends?
I hope so.
I think we did.
You're still going to make me eat this, though, right?
Of course, this
Okay.
is the one. This is the one. So tom yum soup, Thai food, traditionally quite spicy.
Yeah.
Now, when I made this, it was like we're calling it an 8.5 out of 10 on the spice factor.
Yeah.
Because the Thai chilies go in at every stage of making this dish. It went in making the mother stock. It went in at making the shrimp. When everything came together, they went in again. In theory, this only stewed for about 3 to 4 hours, but this should actually be going all night long just to really build those flavors.
Okay.
Cooling agent, we have some sticky rice, and my favorite thing
Not yet.
is cucumber.
Okay, but so we should just try this without the cooling agent.
Okay.
I was gonna
Yeah,
be
go
curious
dig
about
in.
it.
It's spicy. I had some before.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
That's the real
I
deal.
feel like it's going to hit me in just a second.
I think you should have more.
I'm going to.
Whoa.
Get to the bottom of that bowl. Dig right.
Okay.
Dig right to the
Let's do
bottom.
it.
And
Okay.
then, so typically it's done with prawns, with the head-on shrimp.
Yeah.
You crack the shrimp open, you suck the beautiful flavors out of the head, then you eat the flesh, and all those flavors of the shrimp
Very
shell
aggressive,
is actually...
Matt.
It's so graphic.
Come on, this
But
is
that's
what
life.
we do here.
Or
This is-
death. Okay.
Now I feel inadequate. What's going on?
So then
So we need to kill that a little bit.
A little bit, you get a little bit of rice, and then you can go back to the broth.
Okay.
Never put the rice in the broth, like they're meant to be enjoyed separately.
Right.
And you were gonna do exactly that, weren't you?
I may have done it.
Good thing I said it. And then cucumber. Cucumber is, you know,
Where's you? Oh,
number one. Yeah,
pretty.
little rosebuds of cucumber there, and then even some lime juice. You know, you can take that lime like it's a tequila shot.
Okay.
Just enjoy.
Oh, that goes
And
good.
then, should you feel so inclined, I'm not a big fan of this, but there's a glass of milk there too. They always say milk helps.
Does
I
it
think it
help?
helps your mouth.
Yeah.
But then your stomach is like.
Yeah, you fill up, right?
But a lot of
it's
South,
like-
South Asian dishes will serve like what we as kids called cucumber salad, which was yogurt and cucumber.
Yogurt and cucumber.
Now I understand why,
Yeah.
because when the rest of the dishes are hot, that helps to
It's
kill
your
heat.
helping, like there would actually be a dish I would have. It's like a tandoori fried fish dish, and it would always be served with that cucumber yogurt. And there's a little bit of mint in it too, I think, right? Where like it really just pops, and it's literally meant to just help numb the pain.
The science behind the food, and I'm not eating that.
What are we doing? Are we going in?
You gotta go in.
Really?
Are you serious?
Well,
Actually?
We are not going to be able to talk. Have you
This
ever
is
done this before?
Not a smart
yet.
idea.
Oh, I'm
just
going to
gonna
watch
throw
this
out
one
there.
work. All right, and don't touch your eyes
I
after
already
because
did
you've
it.
touched the
I already
skin.
did it.
You
Oh,
did?
gosh.
You did it? Oh, no. We're gonna do it?
Why did I? No, it's
you
not
gotta get the
good.
seeds.
It's
You
just
gotta
a
get the
pepper.
seeds.
I don't want to get the seeds.
Look at the size of the bite I took. No one else took a real bite.
A little bit. Okay.
All right. Here, have a cucumber. Your morning,
Give
we'll
me
be
that.
right back. You can try these
Give me
recipes
some
for
flour.
yourself if you dare. Your
Get
morning
that milk away from
does-
me. Well, no milk.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.